doing? Welcome, another banger. Alright, y'all, today I'm having Wendy's for the first time. I ain't had Wendy's in years, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So I don't know how Wendy's tastes because I ain't had it in so long. So before we get it in, let's pray you guys bow your heads. Bow your heads together. I said together. Bow your heads. Dear Father God, I want to thank you for the food that I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Amen, y'all. So we got a cheeseburger, a double cheeseburger, double cheeseburger, fries, spicy nuggets, y'all. Ooh, I love spicy nuggets. And we got chicken sandwich, a spicy chicken sandwich, barbecue sauce, sweet and sour sauce, y'all, sweet and sour. And I got a Diet Pepsi. Y'all love Diet Pepsi. I love Diet Pepsi. Hold on, because I don't like tomatoes, y'all. I do not like tomatoes. I can't get jiggy with that. I can't get jiggy with that. And I don't got nothing on here. Don't got no ketchup, no nothing. No ketchup, no nothing. Man, y'all, let me tell y'all, this is so good. Nice and subscribe, thank you, baby. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And make sure y'all watch the video all the way through, y'all. You never know what you're gonna miss. And please do not skip the video. Make sure you watch the video all the way through. And play the ads, the commercial. This is how the sister get paid. Ooh, snap. Ooh, snap. Alright, so I ain't gonna do a story time on this video, y'all. I don't feel like it. I ain't eat all day, y'all, so we're gonna do a story time on the next video. A little story time. But baby,
who fries you think better?
McDonald's fries is better.
You still like McDonald's fries?
I like both.
But they both taste the same, huh?
Yeah, they both McDonald's fries and Wendy's fries taste the same to me. Not the same, but McDonald's fries, guys, I love they salt. I love they salty fries. They put salt in their fries, and I love salt in my fries. And these fries they good without salt. So that's why I love these ones. I think this one is better. That's why Wendy's fries is better than McDonald's because they don't need fries. I mean, that's a fry. What is I'm thinking? They don't need salt on their fries. They don't. So, that's why I get it. That's why it's so good, y'all. That's why it's so good. They fries so good, y'all. But y'all, I'm gonna do a video with y'all on my birthday. I'm gonna take y'all with me for the first time. Y'all, even that sauce is so good. This ain't barbecue sauce. They lied. That sauce is so busting. Yeah. That sauce is busting, y'all. Mm. Mm-hmm. I've been missing out on Wendy's food, y'all. That food is life. I ain't gonna lie. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Let's take the nugget. Dip it in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Baby, where you been all my life, Wendy? Where you been? It's over here for real. Mm-hmm. Take a bite. Ooh, take a bite. Take a bite. Mm. Ooh. This best one. Wendy food is smacking. I ain't gonna lie. I'll take this at McDonald's any day. Let's see how it tastes. And I love sweet sour sauce, y'all. I do. Look at it now. Mmm. Baby. Mm-mm. They smacking. Man. Ooh. Uh-uh. Wendy. I don't know. Their food is good. I don't know what to say, y'all. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Uh-huh. I don't know what to say. I can't talk, y'all. They food is, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this good.
Yeah, they good.
I don't know because I eat all day, I don't know.
No,
But I don't think it's good.
it's good.
The hubby says it's good. So it's good. It's good.
The spicy nugget actually got spice to it. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people spicy nuggets don't really got no kind
It
of
don't
spice.
right. It just got the sauce.
Yeah, they got actually got
They
spice.
don't really need the sauce if you ask me. They don't really need the sauce. They is the sauce. They chicken sauce is the sauce. Man, Wendy's. I give y'all that one. Y'all food is good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I would eat y'all all day, every day. I don't care. I don't even care. Mm-hmm. This is busting. Baby. The spicy chicken, everything is just like good. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm a picky eater. And when it's good to me, it's good. I can eat them all day. I ain't gonna lie. Especially they fried with the ketchup. Mm. Baby. Dog.
This chocolate.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.